Hi guys, on today's video I'm going to be trying the Samyang 2 times spicy noodles, or as it says on here, the hot chicken flavoured ramen. It's from South Korea. Not tried this before. The advertising said that it came in at 10,000 Scovilles. I've looked on the ingredients. Where is the ingredients? Oh yeah, here we go. The red chili pepper is what's making it spicy. It also has the chili extract, which I guess would give it an extra kick. I've tried the Buldak noodles, which came in at 1 million Scovilles. I don't believe this will be quite spicy. However, there's only one way to find out, and that's to try it. Alright guys, what's inside? So we have, what's that? Powder, and then the sauce, and obviously you've got the noodles. As you can see from this one compared to my previous video with the Buldak noodles, this is a different colour. The Buldak noodles had a cocoa powder on it. This one doesn't, so that's true. There's the sauce, and then this is the powder. So I'm going to put the spices on first. This is the peppercorns. Make sure it's all in. Let's double check. Yep, it's all in. So I'll mix that in a bit first. And then this is the sauce. The sauce smells really nice. It's like barbecue. Alright guys, so I've got the sauce in and I've got the peppercorns in, or the yeast extract, or whatever it was. Unfortunately, I don't speak Korean, and the instructions on this was only in Korean, so I've had to kind of guess a little bit, but I've just tried the sauce and it's instant, the kick. But let's try the noodles. First thing I'll say about the noodles is these noodles are less thick than the Buldak noodles that I tried. Let's try the whole thing. Okay. Alright. This is surprising. Together, it's actually less of a kick than when you try the sauce on its own, or when you try the peppercorns on its own. Okay. Yeah, it's still got a kick to it though. Oh yeah, it sneaks up on you, the heat. Oh, I've got hiccups. Okay, so yeah, it's spicy. I got the hiccups. Waiting for my hiccups to go. think my hiccups have gone. Yep. This one, my lips, they're tingling. The tongue, not so much, just my lips. This is more spicy than I thought it was going to be. I've got to be honest about that. It's more spicy than I believed it would be, but it's still not quite spicy as the Buldak noodles. The Buldak noodles, by the end of it, I couldn't speak. I was really struggling to get my words out. This one is not quite spicy. It still has a numbing sensation around the mouth. Still feel very warm. I don't think I'm sweating as much. I feel like I've got a bit red. Still got the hiccups before. But yeah, this is some tasty ramen. Yeah, it's much spicier than I thought it was going to be. Finished. Delicious. Alright guys, let me know what you think in the comments. Have you tried this? Is there another Korean noodles that you recommend I try? Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. If you want to be part of the Mylakbay community, please consider subscribing, share this video with your friends, and until next time, remember, no limits, no boundaries. Alright guys, take care.